Viewers and observers, as you observe this video from AY Tourism Media, welcome to observing this afforestation at in Ethiopia, at Amara region, Dembacha Warada, round to Devra Mekmak area. As you observe this video, this tree and afforestation is equipped tree. It germinated from the seedling up to this level. So this afforestation is very useful for keeping environmental goodness. So now currently our country Ethiopia has increased its temperature day to day to prevent such a increasing of temperature and unwanted air conditions to develop our areas to safe for living and observing for amusement situations. So such a afforestation process is necessary to emitted from every margin of our country Ethiopia. Thank you very much for observing our video channels, and you should be like, share and subscribe our video channels, and we have stay more videos for you for the next time. Please observe our sites again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.